Friends, hello everyone. It is a pleasure to welcome you to this channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can add the location of a business on the map in the Snapchat application. Friends, please put your likes, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and let's get on with this topic. So friends, please open up the Snapchat app. Next here you will need to go to your profile. And here, scroll down a little bit and find the Share Location section. Click on it. Next, select the very last option in the list. After that, friends, you can customize various additional features to share some business or a cafe or something else on your Snapchat. So, for this, first you can name it somehow. After you enter a name, you'll need to add an address. You can do that manually by clicking right here and fill in all the details here, or you can click on the map and select, for example, thanks to the map, the place you would like to find. Once you've selected the location, click Save. Next, friends, you will need to select a category. For example, this is a cafe, this is some kind of bar, and so on. After that, also go to the next customization. Here you can choose, for example, what is cool here. This place has good Wi-Fi, for example, and some other things that you might be attracted to, or rather, your friends might be attracted to. After that, click Also Save. Next, customize absolutely other settings like what day this business is closed or this cafe or what have you. Next, you can also add their website, add a phone number, and add a photo. Once you've added all of that, friends, just hit share at the bottom, and that's how you'll add the location of that business to the map on Snapchat. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please put your likes, post your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.